Some motorcycles constantly break down. These don't. Today, we're counting down 7 ultra-reliable motorcycles that riders trust because they simply keep running year after year. Number 7. Yamaha V-Star 250. The Yamaha V-Star 250 may be one of the smallest bikes on this list, but when it comes to long-term reliability, it has earned a seriously strong reputation. This lightweight cruiser uses a simple 249 cubic centimeter V-twin engine that has been around for years, and that proven design is exactly why so many riders trust it. It starts easily, runs smoothly, and rarely causes expensive problems even after years of ownership. One of the biggest reasons riders love this motorcycle is how stress-free it feels. At around 326 pounds, the V-Star 250 is incredibly easy to handle in parking lots, city traffic, and everyday riding situations. The low seat height also makes it approachable for beginners and older riders who want something comfortable and confidence-inspiring. You immediately notice how simple and honest this motorcycle feels. There's no complicated technology, no overwhelming power, and very little that tends to go wrong. Regular oil changes and basic maintenance are usually enough to keep this bike running for a very long time. It's the kind of motorcycle that quietly proves its value year after year. Dependable, affordable, and surprisingly tough for such a small cruiser. Fuel economy is another major advantage, with many riders easily seeing around 70 miles per gallon in real-world riding. For riders who want a motorcycle that simply works every single day, the V-Star 250 remains one of the safest choices on the market. Number 6. Royal Enfield Meteor 350. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 has become one of the biggest surprises in the cruiser world because of how dependable and easygoing it feels in everyday riding. Powered by a smooth 349 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine, this motorcycle focuses more on relaxed performance and long-term durability than outright speed. And honestly, that simple approach works extremely well. Unlike older Royal Enfield models that sometimes struggled with reliability, the Meteor 350 feels far more refined and consistent. The engine runs smoothly, vibrations are well controlled, and the bike feels comfortable even during longer rides. Its low seat height and relaxed riding position also make it very friendly for beginners and older riders who want a calm and manageable motorcycle. One thing riders immediately appreciate is how low maintenance this bike feels. It's built for steady cruising, daily commuting, and stress-free ownership rather than aggressive riding. The fuel economy is also impressive, with many owners reporting around 70 to 80 miles per gallon, depending on riding conditions. This is the kind of motorcycle that makes slow, relaxed rides genuinely enjoyable. It may not be the fastest bike on the road, but it consistently delivers reliable performance without creating unnecessary problems for the owner. For riders who value simplicity, comfort, and dependable everyday riding, the Meteor 350 is becoming one of the smartest cruiser choices in 2026. Number 5. Kawasaki Vulcan S. The Kawasaki Vulcan S proves that a modern cruiser can still be extremely reliable without feeling outdated or boring. Powered by a 649 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine borrowed from Kawasaki's proven sport and naked bike lineup, this motorcycle delivers smooth performance while maintaining the durability riders expect from the brand. One of the biggest strengths of the Vulcan S is how balanced it feels. The engine has enough power for highway touring, commuting, and weekend riding, yet it remains easy to control for newer riders. Kawasaki also designed the bike with a low seat height and relaxed ergonomics, making it comfortable for long hours in the saddle. What really helps this motorcycle stand out is its reputation for low mechanical problems. Owners regularly praise the engine for running reliably even after years of heavy use with only basic maintenance. The liquid-cooled design also helps the bike stay smooth and consistent in different weather conditions and traffic situations. This is the type of cruiser that feels modern without becoming overly complicated. You get dependable Japanese engineering, strong real-world performance, and a motorcycle that simply feels ready for everyday riding. For riders who want cruiser comfort with sporty reliability, the Vulcan S continues to be one of the smartest middleweight motorcycles you can buy in 2026. Number 4. Suzuki Boulevard C50. The Suzuki Boulevard C50 has built a loyal following by doing one thing exceptionally well: delivering smooth, dependable cruising year after year. Its 805cc V-twin engine is known for being extremely durable, and many owners report riding these motorcycles for tens of thousands of miles with very few serious repairs. This bike feels relaxed the moment you sit on it. The riding position is comfortable, the power delivery is smooth, and the engine never feels stressed during normal cruising. Suzuki also gave the Boulevard C50 a shaft drive system, which reduces maintenance compared to a traditional chain setup and adds even more long-term reliability. Another reason riders continue to trust this motorcycle is its simplicity. The controls are easy to understand, the engine tuning is proven, and the overall design focuses more on dependable riding than unnecessary complexity. That's exactly why so many touring and cruiser riders still recommend it today. You quickly notice how calm and confidence-inspiring the Boulevard C50 feels on the highway. It's the kind of motorcycle that encourages long rides without making the rider worry about mechanical issues. For anyone looking for a classic cruiser that combines comfort, smooth performance, and excellent reliability, the Boulevard C50 remains one of the strongest choices in the cruiser market for 2026. The bike's generous fuel tank also makes it a great companion for longer weekend rides without constant fuel stops. It's a motorcycle built for riders who want peaceful, dependable cruising instead of unnecessary drama and expensive repairs. Number 3. Honda Shadow 750. The Honda Shadow 750 has been one of the most trusted cruisers on the road for decades, and in 2026 it still holds that reputation incredibly well. Powered by a dependable 745 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, this motorcycle is famous for smooth performance, easy maintenance, and long-term durability that riders consistently praise. One reason the Shadow 750 remains so popular is its simple and proven design. Honda didn't try to overload this bike with unnecessary technology. Instead, the focus stayed on comfort, reliability, and real-world usability. That approach has helped the Shadow become one of the safest choices for riders who want a motorcycle they can truly depend on. The low seat height and manageable weight make the bike feel welcoming for a wide range of riders, including beginners and older cruiser fans. At highway speeds, the engine feels calm and stable, while the smooth power delivery makes everyday riding surprisingly relaxing. This is the kind of motorcycle that rarely creates ownership stress. Routine maintenance is straightforward, parts are widely available, and the overall build quality feels extremely solid even after years of use. You can immediately understand why so many riders keep their Shadow 750 for a very long time. It delivers exactly what most cruiser owners actually want: comfort, simplicity, and reliable performance every time you hit the road. Number 2. Suzuki SV650. The Suzuki SV650 has earned legendary status because it combines strong performance with some of the best reliability in the motorcycle world. Its 645 cubic centimeters V-twin engine has been trusted by riders for years, and many owners consider it nearly impossible to kill with normal maintenance. What makes the SV650 so impressive is how versatile it feels. It's comfortable enough for commuting, capable enough for highway touring, and sporty enough to keep experienced riders entertained. Despite that balanced performance, the bike remains incredibly easy to live with on a daily basis. The lightweight chassis and smooth throttle response make the motorcycle feel friendly and predictable, especially for riders moving up from smaller bikes. At the same time, the engine delivers enough power to feel exciting without becoming intimidating. Suzuki also kept the design relatively simple, which helps reduce long-term maintenance headaches. This motorcycle has developed a reputation for running reliably even after extremely high mileage. Many riders use the SV650 for years with little more than regular oil changes, tires, and routine servicing. That level of durability is one reason it remains so respected worldwide. You immediately feel the confidence this bike gives its rider. It's fast enough to stay exciting, practical enough for everyday use, and reliable enough to become a true long-term companion on the road. Fuel economy is another strong advantage, with many riders comfortably seeing around 50 to 60 miles per gallon in normal riding conditions. For riders who want one motorcycle that can do almost everything without constantly needing repairs, the SV650 is incredibly hard to beat. Number 1. Honda Goldwing. The Honda Goldwing sits at the top of this list because very few motorcycles in the world have earned a reputation for reliability quite like this one. Even though it's a large luxury touring motorcycle, the Goldwing consistently proves that comfort, technology, and long-term durability can all exist together. Its massive 1833 cubic centimeters flat-six engine is incredibly smooth, quiet, and built to handle huge mileage without constant repairs. What surprises many riders is how refined and stress-free this motorcycle feels on long trips. The engine delivers effortless highway power, while the advanced suspension system keeps the ride smooth and stable even during full-day touring. Honda also designed the Goldwing with exceptional build quality, and that attention to detail becomes obvious the longer you own it. Many Goldwing owners ride these motorcycles for well over 100,000 miles, with very few serious mechanical issues. That level of dependability is exactly why this bike has become legendary among touring riders around the world. This motorcycle makes long-distance travel feel easy and comfortable in a way very few bikes can match. Everything feels polished, predictable, and built for real-world reliability rather than short-term excitement. For riders who want one of the most dependable touring motorcycles ever built, the Honda Goldwing continues to set the standard in 2026. That was our list of 7 ultra-reliable motorcycles that riders continue to trust in 2026. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, ride safe and enjoy the road ahead.